For those who are planning to move to Minnesota, this is how it looks like right now. This is like the second snowstorm we had this year, like a month apart. But you can see how snow is, man. It's chunks and chunks. Look. Imagine this is the sidewalk right here. This is where the sidewalk is supposed to be, but it's very impossible. You cannot even imagine that you can go through that. It's lots of snow. I just arrived here like 1 in the morning, but this is how my car looks like. This is how my car looks like. Not sure if I will make it to work today, but I'll try my best. But things looks so bad. It seems that it's going away a little bit now, but they haven't brought it out. Therefore, still, someone has to figure out how to get out of this place and go somewhere. Because I don't think you're gonna be able to move with this with such amount of snow. It's a lot. It's a lot. You can say it's a lot. It's a lot of snow. And Minnesota, just be prepared for this. Yeah, just be prepared for this. This is what it is. This is what we go through. Yeah, and we're here to stay anyway. Don't ask us why are you staying there. We're here to stay. We're here to stay. Yeah, this is. If I had to go this way, this is how I should be going, but I'm not gonna even try. I'm not gonna even attempt. Yeah, I'm not gonna even attempt. Yeah, it's a lot of snow here. It is. It's a lot. It's a lot. If you look, it's a lot. It's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. Oh, man. Yeah. Now I have to figure out how I can get some of this out here. And see, the wind is a little bit, but I guess we have to keep, just little heads up on the ground. Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.